The year is 1958. The New York Yankees had just won the World Series. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of integrated schools, and Elvis Presley went into the Army. Now take a brand new Thunderbird hardtop and customize it before it has time for the new to wear off. That is exactly what Larry Watson, the famous custom car painter, and Barris Customs did with Larry's 1958 T-Bird. Larry created two new custom trims when he redid his new T-Bird by masking off a silver pearl base coat and then spraying candy burgundy on the rest of the body. He created panel painting and a new trend called customizing with paint. At the same time, he demonstrated that all these longer, lower, late 50s cars needed was a wild paint job to make them a custom. Nobody knew what the car was, only that it was wearing the wildest paint job they'd ever seen. The Watson T-Bird was an instant sensation at drive-ins and at car shows. The Thunderbird appeared in over 20 magazines and was also named Custom Car of the Year. Larry Watson was just a high school kid when he started putting paint to sheet metal and was without a doubt years ahead of his time. It was Watson's 58 Thunderbird that got his name written forever in custom car history books. Larry Watson's 58 T-Bird is one of the most amazing recovery stories in the custom hobby. The car was torn apart in a body shop for 15 years before being rebuilt by Larry Watson and Gary Nemi. Since being restored, the Watson T-Bird has been driven less than 300 miles and now calls America's car collection home.